6 steps to develop study addiction. 1. Learn to love the process. One key thing to note when we talk about learning to be obsessed with studying is to love the process and not the endpoint. Sometimes, people are buying so hard on themselves by not checking on their current achievements, making it hard to start loving to study. 2. Know your preference in studying. Falling in love with studying means knowing what you prefer when you are studying. Basically, there are 3 types of people with regards to their preference of studying. People who study alone, people studying in groups, and people who can both study alone and in groups. 3. Develop curiosity. Developing curiosity is an important step in learning how to get addicted to studying. 4. Do not force yourself too much. While forcing yourself to do things helps in habit building. Too much forcing causes us to start hating what we do. That's why we need to find balance. 5. Form a habit. Habits make sure that we still study regardless of the situation.